Hello everyone, I will show you what is life with or without technology. Eating and using cell phone, no technology. Another individual eats without using any gadgets, allowing for a more focused and tranquil meals. And with technology, one person is on their phone while eating, incorporating technology into their mealtime. Second video is schooling techniques. No technology. A person uses a handheld fan, a traditional method to stay cool. And with technology, another individual uses an electric fan, a more modern and effective way of cooling down. Third video is studying, no technology. A student relies on a physical book for research using printed resources. And with technology, another student uses a smartphone to access information online, highlighting how technology speeds up the research process. The video contrasts how everyday activities involve with and without presence of technology.